Hey, welcome back to the channel. Got my grandson Kalen with me today. Dan's up front with his niece. She's, I think he said she's 15, got her permit, so she might get a little bit of hours against her permit today, some trail time. Colin is behind us. We'll get videos of all the Jeeps. You'll see the three of them at some point during this, but been a while since we've got a video out, so we're out today. Gonna try to find some trails we haven't already been on and see if we can find some mud holes. Stick around. Well, that's a good effort.
No doubt.
At first the ice was holding them up, and then he started to break the ice up and started making progress, but then it just built up too much ice to where couldn't climb up on top of it. So that's a good effort. I was pretty hopeful that we were all going through it, but what do you think, Colin?
Yeah, no, I think we're good.
Yeah, I don't have lockers either, and with his lockers he couldn't get over that, so that's a dip I'm not going in. What do you think, Claire? You having fun yet?
It was really fun. I didn't know if we were gonna get out of it. It was kind of like inching up on my door there.
It's getting a little deep on your side.
You could feel the water on the door.
I could. I felt it.
Made her a little nervous.
I wasn't sure how we were gonna get a winch line to you because.
Oh, if one of you would have.
Well.
I got tall boots, but.
Yeah, my boots aren't that tall either, and I'm not here to swim.
He's got ice chunk up on his bumper.
Does you really?
Yeah. On my side.
Well, that one dropped down a little bit right away. I think we're pushing too much ice again.
That's thicker mud.
It's a big slab of ice moving. We might be pulling him out of that.
Yep.
Ah, he's still moving.
It's soupy back behind him. That could be a couple feet deep.
Yeah. And again, there he goes. It's another great big slab of ice to push. Oop. Yeah. It's gonna drop him right back. Yeah, he's trying to go on the edge and it's dropping right in right away. We'll see if that pulls him in. Oh, there you go.
So what do you think, Claire? In your professional opinion, is he going to make it or not?
I don't know. We'll see.
See if he takes the hard line or the easy line.
He had significantly less trouble than we did.
That's because we broke the trail for him.
It's true. It's true.
Well, as Jeeping goes, sometimes things don't go the way you hope. Dan started having a little trouble with his Jeep, not wanting to shift out of first gear. Then his engine light came on, and he was able to clear that, and things were going good for a little while, and now he's back to it won't shift out of first gear. So we're gonna start working our way back toward home and see if his Jeep will start shifting so he can travel, or if we're going to be in first gear and working our way back slowly and just kind of see how it goes, and basically just make sure he gets back home safe. And we'll probably get some video a little bit on the trail getting out of here, but looks like this one's going to get cut short. It's a bummer. I ain't so much worried about our trail ride getting cut short, as it just sucks that there's something wrong with his Jeep, and it's apparently transmission, and hopefully it's not going to be a hard, expensive fix for him. So we'll follow him out of here and get a little bit of video, and we'll give an update, see what happens with his Jeep.